So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create amazing fire text animations without using any software for free. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and you can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Now here you have to search for flamingtext.com. Once you do that, just simply hit enter and wait for the site to respond, and just wait. Now here you're gonna see it will open something like this. Now here you have to write the text that you want to make the animation. For example, if I write some simple text and hit get started, now here you can see a cool text generated along with my given text that I can use anywhere I want, and these all are free to use. I can just hit and after canceling some simple ads, I can even customize it even more. And once I'm satisfied, I can download it and use it anywhere I want. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.